Hi, I'm Sherry, and today I'm here to talk to you about my new favorite skincare product by Skin Virtue. It's an anti-aging serum that is delivered as a mist. That's important to me because I live in New England and my face is always dehydrated. So it's great that I can just spray it on in the day or anytime I want to. Future Advanced Serumist has 16 active ingredients, and that helps you to plump your face, to reduce those fine lines, and it helps with blotchiness too. Because my face is so dehydrated, I like to use this product a lot. I use it in the morning after I cleanse my face and I tone it. I spray it on before I put my makeup on. In the evening, after I wash my face, I spray it on. I spray it on my face and I spray it on my neck. And then throughout the day, I spray it on. It helps me to stay refreshed and rehydrated all day long. If you're looking for a new serum to replace the one that you're using, try this great one by Skin Virtue. You won't be sorry.